Have you ever felt like there's something extraordinary about your life? A sense that you might be destined for greatness? Well, you're not alone, and the universe might indeed have chosen you for a unique path. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda. In this short video, you'll discover the 5 unmistakable signs that you are in fact a chosen one and you are meant to fulfill a higher calling, a higher purpose in this lifetime. Don't miss out on this opportunity to uncover your true purpose and embrace your remarkable destiny. So now let's get straight into it. The first sign is you're on a journey in pursuit of truth. You always have this big question within you, and you are seeking a deeper meaning or a higher purpose in your life. This intense curiosity drives you to explore your inner self and learn more about the mysteries of existence. You'll probably go on YouTube to search for meditation tracks or learn more about the law of attraction. You understand that the truth often lies within yourself, so you embark on this journey to establish a deeper connection with yourself to gain a better understanding of who you are instead of going through the motions of life. The second sign is you have the ability to remember your dreams. Not everybody remembers dreams. You probably experienced this before, where you are dreaming and you really enjoy this dream. You wake up in the morning, you thought briefly about this dream, and you even think about telling somebody about your dream. And as you're becoming more awake, within 3, 2, 1, the dream has disappeared. Why does that happen? It's because there is a universal rule for dreams to be wiped out. Because when you are dreaming, you are in another dimension. And when you wake up, when you come back to this dimension, memory will always be erased. The reason why some people remember more dreams than others because by remembering the dreams, you remember your soul contract or bits and pieces in multiple parallel dimensions, which has an impact on your thoughts, your feelings, and the actions you take in this dimension, in this physical reality. That's why this is a very big sign when it comes to being a chosen one. The third sign is you have a huge desire to help people. A lot of time, this desire to help is when things are beyond yourself. You have this inner calling, this desire. You feel more motivated to help other people than to help yourself. I don't know if any beautiful soul who are watching this video right now can relate to this. If you can, let us know in the comment below how you resonate with this, so that people know that they are not alone in this journey. Your huge desire to help people is an emotion. And emotion, we always say that emotion is energy in motion. What this means is that, you see, usually you take any kind of action is because you feel something in your heart and you feel the need to do something, right? You bought the bag because you love the design, the color, and you love how it looks on you. There's an emotion behind every action you take. So emotion is energy in motion. It is the universe or God channeling its energy through you, guiding you to fulfill your destined path. So if you're a natural giver, you have this inner desire to help people, and even more so when it's beyond yourself. There's a big tip for you here. You need to learn to also become a good receiver. Because you cannot just keep giving. You give and give until you have nothing left within to give anymore. Open your heart and mind. Become a good receiver as well, so that you allow energy to flow in and flow out. Learn to accept and allow the help from others so that you have the energy to go out there and help more people out there. The fourth sign is you always feel like there's something more, there's something bigger out there for you. Some people find comfort in regular routines, but you are not the type of individual who finds contentment in merely going through the motions of everyday life. The idea of just fitting in and doing what everyone else does doesn't sit well with you. You understand that there's more to life than just a regular job and following society's norms. You'd rather follow your heart, carve your own path, than being held back by the limitations that seem to hinder others from progressing, keeping them stuck in one place. It is not your intention to deliberately make yourself stand out, different from the majority, but you recognize the value in walking down a less traveled path and knowing that this choice will shape your life in unique and remarkable ways. Finally, sign number 5 is you believe there's a much higher power outside of you. You deeply honor and respect the powers of God, the divine, or the universe. You understand that there is a divine timing to everything, and you allow things to naturally unfold for you. You trust the process, and my mentor always says, you have your plan, but the universe has its own plan for you. So if you possess these 5 signs, you are most likely a light worker whose job is to bring love and light and help to spread positivity into the world. Deep down within you, you know that this is your calling. Know that you are always guided and protected by the higher power. Know that you are on your destined path, and know that you are not alone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and also comment below to let me know where you're tuning in from, because it's always nice to know. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification button next to it, because I'm dedicated to make videos to help you stay positive and become a better version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Namaste.